welcome to Yerevan, Armenia. Nothing beats Tarub airs. Right now you can say 50,000 Tarubs off that 2,000 Tarubs off for the family of 4. Alright, we're here at the Baguette & Co. We're waiting for the coffee, Armenian coffee and Armenian tea. So we have a dinner at one of the local. You have to try the barbecue and the salad that they have. So fresh, so good, so fresh, so good bread. And just a quick fact about Armenia. Armenia is a landlocked country. It means like napapalibutan siya, it's surrounded with a mountain and different country. There's no sea, only a river that they have. And this ito pa is a tricky fact about Armenia. It is older than Rome. Ano mo yun? They are older than 26 years old. Alright, that's it. Wait, tomorrow. Armenian tea, Armenian coffee. More chup-chup. Alright guys, dito tayo ngayon. We're here at the fountain. I call it fountain. In front of a mock. Bahala ka dyan. And there's a guy, and basta fountain siya. Ano yung kakainan? It's look like promising yung kakainan natin ngayon, no? Look at that. Yeah. Itong fountain na to, it was built 1982 and 83. Between those years, kung makikita mo, Zodiac sign niya mga yan. Ayun yung Gemini, oh. Ayun na, Gemini yan, oh. Gemini. Tapos sila, yung mga yun, basta yun, bahala na ako, kanya-kanya hanap tayo ng Zodiac sign dyan. Okay, yan siya. Alright. Naglalakad tayo sa mga sulok-sulok ng Yerevan. Naglalakad tayo kung masarap na kakainan. Tignan mo yung building na, no? Most of the buildings are old. Did you know na ang Yerevan, Armenia is older than Rome City ng 26 years old, kaya ganun. Mas matatanda tao dito, mas matatanda sila. Ano, ganda. Ano. Tayo. Magandang topic yun, ha. We just arrived sa Times Square. I call it Times Square because there's a time. So, kanya-kanya tayong tawag dyan. Or time fountain area.
I think it's Republic Square.
Okay, Republic Square. Alright, we're here at the Republic Square. Look at this architecture. Ayan, no? Ayan. So, pagaganda.
Dancing fountain.
Yeah. Where the modern and tradition meets. Meets pala, hindi meets. Iba yung meets, eh. Meets. Right. Look at that, though. Because we're eating the underground restaurant. Yan, may mga memorabilia sila, like the pot. I don't know, what is that? The old radios, the frame, and look at the woodworks. And the old wall clock. Diba? Right. It's our Armenian lunch. Some bread, and salad, and a barbecue pork ribs. There you go. Armenian beer, Armenian Coke. Enjoy. Ito tayo guys, round 2. Yung aftermath ng round 1. Sarap kasi kaya gustuhan ko. Right? It's a wrap. Okay, we're at the Freedom Square in front of this ballet and opera theater house. And someone said doing a busking. Oh, just a walk, city walk lang tayo ngayon. And some people playing volleyball. The kids are playing. Nice basking. Meron tayong kwento na Fast and the Furious. Mga bata. Meron silang go-kart. Go-kart with neon light. And around the Opera House, it's a lot of coffee shop. We're looking for a supermarket. And then kumaitag siya. May tag din. So same thing as in Georgia. The dogs are obese. there has a tag on the dog. It means like na spray siya in every perks he received.